What's up, Overlanders? Welcome back on this beautiful Southern California day. Today it is out with the LED pod fog lights and in with the old. I've decided to repurpose my LED pods as camp lights up on my roof rack. And so what I did is I went over to AutoZone and I got this turtle wax headlight restorer. And I'm going to try my hand at restoring my old fog light housings. They've gone just a little yellow, but ultimately they just look kind of dirty. So I'm going to try this polish and see if we can get this to work. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's give this a go. So the first thing we got to do, wash headlight to remove surface dirt. I already did that. Number 2, apply clarifying compound to a cotton cloth. Let's see what this clarifying compound stuff looks like. That's spray lubricant. And this lens clarifying compound. Apply to a cotton cloth. This should work. And rub it with firm pressure. Bluff with a clean terry cloth. Restore only one lens at a time. If lens turns clear, proceed to step 3. Well, let's get through this first step, or I guess second step, and see what happens here. Gotta take the seal off. Comes out quick. Okay, there's still some specks and things on there, but you know, the yellow color is actually mostly gone. You can kind of see it. Let me brighten this up for you. You can kind of see the yellow color on the rag here. This is the clean one right here. I think there's definitely a color difference. This one's definitely more yellow. Or tell. Let's see what step 2A is. Spray lubricant, green polishing pad. Use pads only on those areas. What's purple? They look exactly the same. Okay. Let the compound dry to a haze, then buff with a cotton cloth. Okay. I went ahead and got started on the next one. I put another coat of this, I don't know, clarifying compound on the other one. I kind of want it to be a little bit clearer than it is, so hopefully that'll do some good for it. So what's the verdict? I'm not going to say they look brand new, because they don't, but what I can say... So while I was waiting for the, I don't know, clarifying stuff to dry, before wiping it off, I decided to repaint this trim that goes around the fog light housing. So this will be nice and new. Alright, it's starting to get dark, but actually that's good, because now that I have the fog light housings mounted back up, I'm going to park in front of the garage door and realign them to make sure they're not pointing up too high or low. There's a little adjustment screw in there. If you take a light up in there, you'll see, no problem. Easy to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that adjustment while I'm waiting for the outer trim to finish drying. Welcome to the morning. I had to let the trim pieces dry overnight. I painted them and they weren't ready to go on yet, so. But I may have spoken too soon about the quality of this kit because I forgot the last two steps was this base coat and sealing wipe, and that really cleaned it up. Check it out. These things actually look brand new now. Anyway, they look a lot better than my dirty headlights, but they're just crystal clear. Here are the trim pieces. Let's put them on and finish this up. There we go. There's that one. All done now. Got the original fog lights back in. And the original fog lights do actually spread the light out better than the pods that I had, so that's, it's better. It's an upgrade back to the original. So there you have it. The Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restore Kit is a success. It totally works. I was pretty optimistic for $12. Didn't take too long to do, and after doing that, I don't know, base coat, sealer coat, whatever it comes with, that's really what puts that finishing touch on there and makes it look really good. So anyway, maybe I'll do like a 6-month update video to see how long it lasts, but hopefully it'll last for a while. So anyway, as always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.